Think you are enter your birthday on Roblox and that's all it takes. Not good. If you want to access to age restricted features, you will need to complete Roblox age verification process. And here's how it works in 2026. Start by signing into your Roblox account and opening setting. Go to the account info section where you will see the option to verify your age if your account is eligible. If you do not see the option, make sure you are using the latest version of the Roblox app or website. When you begin the verification, Roblox will ask you to scan a valid government issued photo ID, such as a passport, driver license, or a national identity card. After that, you will be prompted to take a live selfie. The system compares the selfie with your ID to confirm that the account belongs to you. To, to improve your chances of a successful verification, make sure your ID is clearly visible. All four corners are in the frame, and the photos are taken in good lighting. Blurry image, damaged documents, or expired IDs may cause the verification to fail, requiring you to try again. Once you submit everything, Roblox revises the information. In many cases, the process is completed fairly quickly, although some reviews may take longer after your age is verified. Eligible account features become available, and your account will show that the verification has been completed. If the verification does not work, check that you are using a supported ID, your internet connection is stable, and your Roblox app is up to date. If the problem continues after multiple attempts, contacting Roblox support is the best way to resolve account specific issues. Age verification is designed to improve account security and ensure that age based features are available to the right users. Following the steps carefully can help you complete the process without unnecessary delays. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.